Hello, Four Rivers. I'm Regina Tubré, your association executive, and I wanted to take a moment to show you how easy it is to view and pay your MLS invoice through your member portal on our website. MLS invoices are due by Monday, March 29th, and each Tuesday we send out reminder notices to anyone who has not yet paid. In that email is a direct link to your member portal that will auto-populate your username, and then you complete the sign-in with your personalized password. There is a forgot password link in case you need to utilize it, which emails you an option to retrieve it. Once you're in your member portal, you will see any unpaid balance due and what they are for. You may have multiple invoices depending on your member type. Today, I'm showing you how to pay your Spring 2021 MLS subscription invoice. However, since I am not an MLS subscriber, I'll show you while paying a Tree Pack investment invoice. The principle is the same. Click on Pay Now. You can click the PDF icon on the left corner to view the unpaid invoice details. If you are ready to pay, click the checkbox to Pay Now, and then click on Choose Payment Options. On this screen, you'll want to review your payment and make sure this is the invoice and amount you are ready to pay, and then click Credit Card. The last time I made a payment through my member portal, I authorized it to save this credit card on file, which is a really convenient way for you to make your payments. This is not an auto draft option, only a save payment type option. Now I am going to click on Authorize this payment to complete the payment process, and you will see our last screen which says Payment Successful. And there is an action button to print your paid invoices for your personal and tax records. I hope this quick tutorial has been helpful to you. Please contact Four Rivers if you need any further assistance, and thank you for your membership.